I'll leave you just pass them down. No, keep them together there. Just pass them down. Okay. All right, everybody have. Okay. So the first thing you're going to do is I want you to read this by yourselves, looking for words you don't understand. Okay? We're going to spend about 10-15 minutes going over, just working by yourselves, finding any words you don't understand, and then you're going to ask them, and we will define them. We will tell the meaning as a group. After we do that, then we're going to find the different parts of the essay. So go ahead and read this. And what you're looking for right now is words you don't understand. Just underline them, mark them somehow. Go ahead, take a couple minutes and read it and find words you don't understand. We're only doing lesson 1. Make sure you're on number 1. All right, let's go over this. You want to read the first paragraph?
The telephone has greatly affected communication in the 20th century in many ways. It has made our world seem smaller because we can talk to people all over the world instantly. Services of many types are not accessible. We also have new technology through frequent uses of phone lines. Let me give some examples of these.
Okay. Were there any words in that paragraph that we need to explain? We need to talk about. In the second sentence, it has made our world seem smaller because we can talk to people all over the world instantly. What does seem mean? Look like. Yes. Okay. Okay, so it makes the world look smaller, or feel smaller. Instantly. Yeah, right now. Okay. Services. What are services? Okay. Food services. I mean, there's all kinds of services. What do we mean by a service? Yeah, it's any kind of job where somebody does something for you. Okay. You hire somebody to fix your roof. That's a service. Okay. You go to a dentist. That's a service. Anytime somebody does something for you, that's called a service. Does Walmart have any services? What? That's not a service. That's not a service. They're not doing something. They're selling you something. That's not a service. Is there anything at Walmart that somebody does something for you? Customer service. Okay. Car service. You know, if you have your tires changed or whatever. So that would be a service. Anytime somebody does something. If you're just buying a coffee at Tim Hortons, that's not necessarily a service, although they do make the coffee for you. So that is technically called a food service. McDonald's, any kind of restaurant. People cook food for you. That's a service. Okay? Here we're talking about communication services. Communication services. Okay. Any other questions on that first paragraph? Okay. All right. Let's go back to the first paragraph. What is the main topic? No. Why not communication? What is communication? Communication can be you and I talking. Is this about you and I talking? What is this about? Telephone. So go ahead on the back. It says main topic. Telephone. All right. Now, what does it say about the telephone? What is the main idea, or in this case, the topic sentence? What is the topic sentence? No, we're looking for a sentence in the first paragraph. Yes. The telephone has greatly affected communication in the 20th century in many ways. Okay? Now, this is normal that the first sentence is going to be the topic sentence. Not always, but normally that's true. So somehow you want to mark on there. And so what do you think we could put the main idea is? Look at that sentence and pick out a couple important words. What do you think? So the topic sentence is the telephone has greatly affected communications in the 20th century in many ways. The main topic is the telephone. What is the main idea? No? Greatly affected communication. Okay, so the main idea would be phones have greatly affected communication. So we're going to talk about telephones in this, and we're going to talk about how telephones have affected communication in the 20th century. You don't have to put all of that, but what I want you, the easiest way to remember this is the main topic is going to be the subject, and the main idea is going to be the verb. So the subject of the topic sentence, the telephone, and then what's the verb? Has greatly affected communication. That's the easiest way to separate the main idea from the main topic. The main topic is a thing. The main idea is usually a verb. Has greatly affected. Changed. All right. What are our subtopics? No. Okay. Can you tell me the exact words? Well, no, it's more than that. It's more specific than communication. Look at the introduction. The first sentence is the topic sentence. The next three sentences are the subtopics. Where? Okay. So that's your first subtopic. We can talk to people all over the world instantly. You can either mark it on here or there's this on the back too.
So subject 1 is you can talk to people all over the world.
Yep. Okay, what's the next subtopic? Subtopic. Yeah. Remember, in the introductory paragraph, the first paragraph, the first sentence is the topic sentence that tells us the main idea and the main topic. Then the next sentences are going to be all the subtopics. So the next subtopic is services of many types are much faster today. That is subtopic number 2. I don't know why I have this garbage can all the way over here. I'll just keep it right here. Oh. Yep, just a second. Yep, that's the second subtopic. Okay, what's the third subtopic? Okay, so new technology with phone lines. New technology through different uses of phone lines. Okay. Now what I want you to do, or what we're going to do, is we are going to find 2, and only 2, you don't have to put all, find 2 details for each subtopic. So